Oh my gosh, guys, so cute, right? We have a brand new stamp set for our brand new Stamp of the Month Club or Stamp and Die of the Month Club. So you can choose either one depending on your preference. So when you check out, choose monthly for your frequency, and that will get you an 18% discount for the Stamp of the Month Club. You can also purchase this without joining the club. You just won't get the discount. When you're in the club, you'll get billed every 30 days, and then your stamp or Stamp and Die will ship every 30 days. If you're interested in joining the Stamp of the Month Club, head on over to Not Too Shabby at nottoshabbyshop.com. Special shout out to Teresa Russell, who is fresh and renewed with Teresa here on YouTube, for helping me put together all these stamp sets. So you're going to see a new stamp set every month, and we're going to have coordinating dies, so that's very exciting. Right now the coordinating dies are just for the Stamp of the Month Club. We're going to do some Copic coloring today, so I am going to color up these images, and I will play some music so you can enjoy the coloring. I'll catch you back on the other side. Now that I have all my images colored, I'm going to do the background with some distress inks. You see my phone to the side? I had that out because I was trying to do an Instagram reel at the same time filming this video. So I have that in the shot. So I'm going to do these 4 colors here. We've got Salty Ocean, Carved Pumpkin, Spun Sugar. I think that last one is Wilted Violet. The really pretty purple. So this is kind of like a fall sunset in the background. I wanted to have the blue at the top, so I cut my panel out with a wonky stitch die from Avery Elle, and now I'm using my brand new glue. I think that's called the Barely Art glue, and I have that fine tip on there, so I really like that. And I'm just going to place that in the center of my card here, and then we will build our scene, and it's going to go by really quickly because the images really just make the scene. And I just pop on the 3 images, and then we call this card done. So stick around to the end and see a final snapshot of this card. And I thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the new Stamp and Die of the Month Club. And I can't wait to show you next month. And don't forget to check out the fall box. We are down to a handful left. So if you were on the fence, now's the time to pick it up before it gets sold out. So here's the finished card. I think it turned out really cute, very simple, and I just love the colors. They are just warm and cozy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this card, and I will catch you real soon in the next video. Bye guys!